Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. First of all, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then guys do consider subscribing my channel. It will really motivate me to create more such content for you. And make sure to join our Telegram community too. The link for the Telegram channel is in the description itself. Well, in this video, I'll be sharing some important tips that will help you to become a software developer even if you are from a non-tech background. So right now, multiple students are struggling to get a relevant job opportunity, right? Especially when they are from a non-tech background, and due to which they are constantly being hounded by the family members or the friends to questions like why you're not having a job till now, right? Why your salary is so low. Now for this, there can be the reasons like either they don't have the right skill set that is needed to get a job, or they are not aware of the right platform that can help them to get a right opportunity, right? And even if some of the students are able to get a relevant opportunity, now they are struggling with other phases like as a resume being shortlisted, the interview rounds and all these things. So make the things easy for you. Here I want to tell you about an amazing platform that will be helpful for you, not only just for the upskilling part. They'll train you, they'll upskill you, but also they'll help you to get a relevant job opportunities. So let's have a look on that. So guys, this is the platform Acciojob that I was talking about, right? Acciojob is founded by IIT Delhi alumni who train students on the full stack development in their 6-month program, and they do guarantee at least 5 LPA CTCs. So far, their students' highest CTC is 41 LPA and the average CTC of their students is 8.3 LPA, right? So here you can start reviewing about the platform as well. So you can see that they have helped 3,000 plus students completely change their life, and even the testimonials are there. The one is from Pradyot Verma from NIT Uttarakhand, Mechanical Engineering at NIT Uttarakhand to STE at Make My Trip. I never imagined, so you can see this is the review by him, that he never imagined getting a tech role after I came across Acciojob, but with the help of the well-structured curriculum, proper guidance and mentors and infinite mocks, I was able to land STE1, right? Likewise, you can have a look on others as well, right? This one is from Meenakshi, forecast jump in salary, service to product-based company. What I love the most about the Acciojob team is that they focus on every student and given that extra effort needed to understand in what areas, right? You can find the profilings of these two students in the description itself, right? So you can have a look on that as well, right? And now you can have a look on the courses that they do offer. Learn fundamentals of programming for free, so this you can take advantage of this as well. Well, as I already mentioned that students of any educational background could join the program. The program duration is of 6 months for Pioneer course and 8 months for Sapling course. You get daily live classes, and as mentioned earlier, they guarantee placement starting from 5 LPA CTC for Pioneer and 3 LPA for Sapling. Now to get into their program, all you need to do is register on their website. Link is there in the description and click on Start Learning. Clear the selection process, which consists of a basic coding test and an interview of getting yourself enrolled with the Pioneer course or directly getting into the Sapling course. Now, if you don't know the basic coding concept, then here you can see I already mentioned, right? So this is the free live course. You should join the free live course and then clear the test and the interview. Also, don't worry if you are not clear with the basics. Here you will be taught with the basics of programming itself, which is from data structure and algorithm covered in Java. Most companies do have special technical rounds for data structure and algorithm when it comes to hiring beginner level software developers. Now here is they have listed down the 300 plus startups and top MNCs that are hiring students from Acciojob, so you can go through them. Now you can get 100% support from their dedicated placement team till you get placed. Exclusive access to their partner companies, infinite mock interviews will be there. Resume, LinkedIn and portfolio building will be there. You know that resume and LinkedIn profile, like they should be up to date, right? They are very, very important when it comes to the hiring process. HR interview questions, right? Now our structured and well-defined training helps you to become a great software developer. Now here you can see they have mentioned about the mentors as well. So there are 100 plus mentors who are already working in these top tech companies. They'll be helping you out to get into a company that you are targeting for. Now you can have a look on the Adarsh Mohta and Parth Budhi Raja, right? The mentors that will be helping you, right? So this is the LinkedIn profile of these two mentors, right? So likewise, there will be multiple mentors to help you out, right? So there will be best in class instructor and mentors to help you, industry vetted curriculum, personalized training, infinite one-on-one session with the team of experts, dedicated career coach will be there, live doubt solving will be there, one-on-one expert guidance will be there. You will be learning through daily live classes and group projects, right? So this is the dedicated platform to learn, practice, and get tips. So you can see sapling pay upfront they have mentioned, right? And pioneer pay after placement they have mentioned, right? So you can go through about it. Now here is some initiative also that they are taking, the Pratigya initiative and the scholarship test. So you can just go through it. Now even if you are having certain doubts, certain queries, so here they have covered certain frequently asked questions, so you can just go through them. Also, the most amazing part is that, right, students will be having the option to pay only if they get placed, right? So when you are getting placed, then only you have to pay. You start paying the monthly installment once you start receiving your salary. Now most important part is that if you have to save money, you can opt for the sapling course, where they are guaranteeing you 3 LPA plus job insist of 5 LPA plus job in pay after placement course option, and join the Acciojob program. Now the decision is all yours, right? So that's it from my side. I hope that this helps, right? So this is an amazing platform that is definitely gonna help you a lot. So guys, what are you waiting for? Do register now. The link is there in the description itself. Happy learning.